Alright, what is up YouTube? So, this is going to be my new unboxing video for this new Acer 24-inch gaming monitor. Let's whip out the Allen key to open this sheet up. Where's the Allen key? Alright, we can't find the Allen key. We'll just use this pen. Whip it up. I just bought this new monitor from Newegg.com, actually, believe it or not. It was $100 on Black Friday. I think normally it's about $179. But yeah, as you can see, the box came cracked, but whatever. As long as the monitor works, right? So let's open up the box. We see inside, we have this huge monitor. Holy crap. A lot of foam as well. The cat is going to go wild on this foam. So we have the little stand right here. Let's get that unplugged. We have the stand. It's a pretty generic stand, you know, standard stuff. I don't think there's too much like screws that you have to use. Let's take this off. And here's more parts. It actually, wow, it comes with a VGA cable and the power plug, but it does not come with an HDMI cable. Some of the bad reviews on Newegg said that it does not come with a VGA or HDMI cable, but this one actually came with a VGA cable, which is pretty sick if you ask me. But anyways, let's open this up. It's actually, ooh, wow. This is a matte screen. It's actually not glossy. That's actually pretty sick because with the matte screen, there's not really a glare, as you can see. My other screen is actually matte black as well. Here's the instructions, but everyone knows how to plug in the monitor. So let's set this up real quick. And then I'll plug it in and we'll see how it runs. So let's see, what are we gonna do? I think this goes here. That's here. We got that in. Now we just need the stand. Goes right here. It's actually really easy to set up, believe it or not. You don't even need a screw. Wow, this screw, you actually just screw it in yourself. You don't really need a screwdriver. And that's basically... take that shit up. What was it? And basically, I already finished setting up the monitor. Looks pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in now. So, let me move the iPad. Put this right over here or something. Oh, alright. Fuck, man, I can't get it right. You know what? Let's grab this. Put this right here. So we have the video still running. We're good. We're good? Man, this won't stand. Sorry guys, we're just having a little bit of technical difficulties right now. These speakers. Put that shit right here. Alright, fucking finally. So let's close this up. Let's make some room for the monitor. I'm going to move the old monitor over here. And I'm going to put the new one right over here. We good. We Gucci, we Gucci. So, it actually, it's you can adjust it vertically, so just up and down, but that's about it. I don't think you need to adjust it any more than that, but let's get this plugged in and we'll use it real quick. So just unplugging this. Plugging it in. How do you turn it on? Oh, turn it on. Acer, explore beyond limits. Energy star. I'm gonna use this monitor's HDMI cable. Oh, disconnected from World of Warcraft. What? All right. Let's plug in this new monitor. And we'll see how it runs, boys. HDMI. God damn. Took a while. Damn, it's actually really nice. So let's bring this up a little bit closer. As you can see, the monitor looks really clear. It's very nice. Let's go to my Shaman real quick. As you can see, this is my Shaman. Goes hard with the lava burst. But anyways, so that's pretty much the review of the monitor. It's really smooth. You know, I'm really happy with it. I'm excited to use it. And I guess if you guys have any questions, you can comment or subscribe because I'm awesome, you know, or maybe even give it a like or something, share it with your friends. But if you guys want me to do more of these unboxing videos, Mazem wants to be in the video. I don't know if you guys heard him meowing, but here's Mazem. Mwah. Say hi, Mazem. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like the video, and I hope everyone has a great day, weekend, whatever is coming up next.